Hello guys, I've been getting a lot of complaints on bank cards and whatnot. Even myself, I have experienced that when you get the card and you want to try on POS machines, it doesn't work. And it's especially very frustrating because before now, once you get the card, you activate it with your bank app and boom, you can make transactions on POS machines and ATMs. But now it's not the case. It seems that at first you need to use the debit card in a ATM, in a full-fledged ATM, not a POS machine. For some reason, this is how it has become. Even Opay customer care has called me to tell me that. If I persist, I recommend maybe changing the PIN of your ATM card. And by the way, this can now be done in the app, especially for Opay. You can now change the PIN of the ATM card in your app. Thank you, Opay, because that was a very big difficulty before, and I even had to make a video on it. And also, I wanted to tell you guys that Opay cards are now the best cards out there, because Kuda Bank cards now charge an eye for their Kuda Bank cards. People are paying up to 2,900 naira, both the card and delivery fee for their Kuda Bank card. Kuda Bank is trying to give only people who are willing to pay, and it's no more free. The problem with the ATM cards is definitely supposed to be from the payment gateways. Like I said before, it's mostly going to be because of MasterCard or InterSwitch, because most people from other banks also complain the same, especially those who got their card new.